This is the third video about integrated Apple CarPlay in a Jaguar XKR. And as promised in the last video, I'll show you how to use Waze with Apple CarPlay. And it has some unique features. It's got best time to leave if you're not in a hurry, and there are parking options at the destination, and the unique beep when you're over the speed limit. But the best feature of Waze is the ability to show live traffic conditions from the crowdsourced data that Waze receives from its users. And the users can input the traffic conditions by selecting the hazard warning button at the bottom left of the screen. This feature's recently appeared in Apple Maps, but doesn't seem to get the user support as much as Waze does. The Waze users are represented by the little Waze icons, and these are people using Waze who've been in your area within the last 10 minutes. Traffic information is also based on the average speed over segments of the road gained from the users who are active at the time, and also from historical data that's being continuously updated. Waze shows notifications on the way like police action, red light cameras, potholes, and the notifications also show even when you're not showing Waze on your screen. Perhaps you've got full screen of music apps or a radio, but you'll still see a notification from Waze superimposed on the screen. If you don't have Waze on your iPhone, download it from the App Store. Select Waze on the iPhone, select the three bars on the left for settings, and you'll use those to personalize Waze. But for now, I want to show you how to modify where Waze shows on your CarPlay screen. Go back to iPhone settings, select General, select CarPlay, select the car, customize, and press and hold on Waze and drag it to the top area so that it'll show on the first screen in CarPlay. Siri can't do much in Waze, but Siri can at least open Waze for you. Siri, open Waze. So that you can use the Waze voice control. Drive to 6 Hoyle Avenue, Castle Hill.
Have a pleasant drive.
And you can see the current time, travel time, and distance. As well, the last 3 apps used will show on the right-hand side panel. And you can select alternative routes by pressing the Y button. Select all routes. The alternative routes show the time differences as well as toll charges and traffic conditions along the way. And once you've selected best route, you can select route options that will avoid ferries, toll roads and motorways. Press the back button, and now with the desired route selected, press Go Now. And while you're driving, you can change the voice responses by pressing the speaker button for sound on, announcements of alerts only, or no sound at all with sound off. And you can add a stop by pressing the Save Places button, or stop navigation with the stop button. Touch the yellow warning triangle for hazards, petrol prices, police actions, roadside assist, flat tyres, batteries, fuel and medical assistance. One of the unique features of Waze is the ability to plan trips ahead of time and have the trip stored in your calendar so you're reminded of the departure time. You can do this days ahead. The planning's done on your iPhone. Press the 3 bars at the top left, Plan a Drive, press the blue Plan a Drive button, type or speak the address, and then set an arrival time and the day. You can select Tell me when to leave if you wish. Then you can select the calendar that the trip and the reminder is saved on by pressing the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Select your calendars option allows you to add a new calendar or view your current calendars. Press Done to return to planned drive. Press the three dots to access information. Press the back arrow. Select Parking, and there appears to be none available at this particular location. Press Routes to see the alternative routes. Press Edit Arrival Time. Settings will set a reminder in your calendar. Edit the reminder time. Send Location gives you the message options. You can send it as an SMS message, WhatsApp or others. And you can remove the trip as well. I like Waze a lot, particularly the warnings about being over the speed limit and the live traffic updates, including speed traps. But the big one for me is that Waze requires you to type and press buttons on the screen, where Apple Maps is much more voice responsive with the Siri integration. For me, I use Waze for driving without navigation, but ask Siri to start a navigation which switches the navigation to Apple Maps, giving me voice control through Siri. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell to be reminded about the next video, which is specifically for those of you in New South Wales, Australia. I'll be reviewing a new app that monitors your speed and advises when school zones are active, as well as live monitoring of changes to traffic speeds for roadworks and the like. The downside is that it doesn't run on CarPlay, but it will warn you through the iPhone. It'll be interesting to see how it integrates with Waze and Apple CarPlay. Thanks for watching.